Good afternoon students, Standard 5 English. In this lesson, we are going to learn a story supplementary part. In third unit, Our Nation, The Legend of Jaswantkar. The Legend of Jaswantkar. What is mean by legend? It is a story from the past. Legend is nothing but a well-known story of Jaswantkar. Here it refers a name of person who was a soldier in Indian Army. Before going to the story, let's learn some glossary. Legend, a story from the past. Valor, great courage in battle. Regroup, to organize in a new tactical formation. Reinforcement, additional army to support. Tribe, group of people with common habits and culture. Battalion, a military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. Interrogation, to question someone aggressively. Brass bust, a statue made of brass depicting a person's head and neck. Now let us move on to a story. There was a war between India and China in the year of 1962. In the final part of the war, Naranang was the last stand of the Indian army against the Chinese army. The battle started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. At 5 am, the Chinese army attacked the lonely Indian post in Naranang, knowing that the Chinese army was stronger. The Indian soldiers on the post were ordered to retreat and regroup. But Jaswant did not leave his post and decided to continue the fight to hold the Chinese until the reinforcement arrived. The word reinforcement means additional army to support. Two village girls named Sela and Nura helped Jaswant. They set up weapons at separate points. Jaswant taught the girls to fire guns. All three kept shooting on the Chinese army. Jaswant was running to different gun points and kept shooting. His intention was to give the Chinese army a perception that they are facing a huge Indian battalion. The word a battalion means a military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. He did this for 3 continuous days. Jaswant and the girls had killed 300 Chinese soldiers. The Chinese army decided to cut the food supply to the post. The Chinese soldiers caught the man who brought food for the 3. In the Chinese interrogation, the man told the truth that a single soldier was guarding the post. The meaning interrogation means to question someone aggressively. The man told the truth that a single soldier was guarding the post. A single soldier and 2 village girls had fooled the Chinese. They were shocked and furious. The word furious, angry. They surrounded Jaswant Singh and attacked him. Jaswant shot himself as Chinese were going to capture him. A grenade blast killed Sela. Nura, the tribal girl, was captured alive. After the war, the commander of the Chinese army returned the brave post of Jaswant. The word pust means half-made image of a person. A war memorial with the phrase pust was made to remember him and his service to the nation. All army personnel who pass through this memorial pay their respect to him. The Indian Army still treats him as a serving officer and awards him promotion. Indian awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. The word Mahavir Chakra means he is given as a reward for the best soldier of this country. Jaswant may have died in battle that day, but he still lives in the memory of people in Jaswantgarh and the Indian Army. Let us recall once more. It was a real story of a soldier, Jaswant Singh Rawat, who was born on 19th August 1941 in Uttarakhand district. He joined Indian Army at the age of 19 in 1960. In 1962, he fought in the Battle China-Indian border conflict or the Indian-China war. At last, he fought alone with 3 days with the help of village 2 girls. In the end, when Chinese surrounded him, he shot himself death. This war united the village people and increased the spirit of nationalism as a habit for as a citizen of India. So, dear students, be brave and fearless to support the right thing and love your country by being kind and sharing person to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.